Invesco Asia Trust's objective is to provide long-term capital growth by investing in a diversified portfolio of Asian companies. Its approach is team-based, bottom-up and valuation-focused, with the Trust's portfolio of around 50 to 70 stocks representing the manager's highest conviction investment ideas over a 3 to 5 year horizon. Below we discuss the key points of its investment story. Invesco Asia Trust's unconstrained approach gives its investment manager the flexibility to pick the best ideas across Asia and respond to changing market conditions. It is an all-weather trust with a balanced approach to growth and income, which means it is not restricted to stocks that are pure dividend plays. Its strategy allowed the trust to outperform both its benchmark and the AIC Asia Pacific Equity Income Peer Group average over the last 10 years. This superior track record is underpinned by the close to 30-year experience of Ian Hargreaves, the trust's manager, who is supported by the co-manager Fiona Yang and an experienced team of Asia investment specialists. The trust follows a bottom-up approach, looking for unloved investments with strong fundamentals trading at undemanding valuations. Its active, valuation-aware strategy makes it well-positioned to capitalize on valuation discrepancies across Asian markets, seizing on opportunities to buy businesses for less than they are worth. We believe that good stock picking has been an important contributor to the trust's long-term performance. Furthermore, the trust's portfolio is designed in a way which translates into lower balance sheet risk than the benchmark, with many of its portfolio holdings having net cash. The trust's investment philosophy helped it to limit capital losses during times of market weakness and in outperforming the benchmark on the upside. A portfolio of equities in emerging and developing Asia may benefit from secular tailwinds supporting economic growth above the global average across several countries in the region. This is illustrated by the International Monetary Fund's forecast mid-single-digit % average GDP growth across the region in the next few years. Some important themes to explore include growing consumer spending driven by the rising income of large populations, an expansion of the middle class and urbanization. The role of countries such as South Korea and Taiwan in the global tech value chain. Reconfiguration of supply chains, and green transition, including renewable energy and electric vehicles. Based on the Trust's revised dividend distribution policy, the board now aims to pay 6 monthly dividends in November and April each year, each equivalent to 2% of net asset value at the end of September and February, respectively. Moreover, we note that the Trust introduced a performance-related conditional tender offer for up to 25% of its issued share capital at a discount of 2% to the prevailing net asset value per share, after deduction of tender costs, in the event that the Trust fails to outperform its benchmark by 0.5 percentage points per year over the 5-year period to the 30th of April 2025. During the 3 years that have already passed, the Trust outperformed the benchmark by 3.3 percentage points per year. If you would like to find out more about Invesco Asia Trust, please visit www.edisongroup.com.